Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Pop-ups can be useful for certain websites or online services, so let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Look for the three-dot menu icon located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Step 4. On the left side of the Settings page, you'll find different categories. Click on Privacy and Security to access the Privacy and Security settings. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. This will open a new tab specifically for managing site settings in Chrome. Step 6. Look for the Pop-ups and Redirects option and click on it. This will allow you to control how Chrome handles pop-ups and redirects. Step 7. Under the Default Behavior header, click to select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This will enable pop-ups in Chrome for all websites by default. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled pop-ups in Google Chrome. Remember, it's important to exercise caution when allowing pop-ups, as they can sometimes be intrusive or malicious. Make sure to only enable pop-ups for trusted websites. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.